Hey everybody, it's Fisher Tom here with Elaine and Sophia. In this vlog, we are staying at the Hilton Clearwater Beach Resort and Spa. We stayed here before, had a glorious time. So join us for this Hotel Beach Clearwater adventure.
Let's go!
Hilton Clearwater Beach Resort and Spa sits right on one of Florida's most famous beaches, just steps from Pier 60 and surrounded by local shops, dining, and entertainment. From the moment guests arrive, the resort feels like the perfect blend of modern comfort and laid-back beach vibes. With direct beach access and sweeping views of the Gulf, it's easy to see why this Hilton is such a popular getaway. Now, let's join Tom, Elena, and Sophia as they explore the resort, checking out the rooms, the pools, the restaurants, and, of course, the beautiful beachfront that makes Clearwater such a special destination. Tom, get your head out of the sand. You're on.
Okay, well, here is our room, 770. And of course, you have these things as your room key. Let's go in and check it out. Oh, come on in. Here we go. Very nice. Hello, wow. They are quick to get that up on the screen. Let's look out here. Got a beautiful little balcony. Oh my God, so wonderful. Love it. Got glass. Elena's impressed with the glass. Our waters. Nice. Yeah. Should be a... Oh, that is the coldest refrigerator I have felt in a while. Already 6 to 69 degrees, or already set to 69. That's the lowest it goes. We got the iron in our bag, and then the baño. I'm ready for the beach, can't you tell? Dun-dun-dun, hopefully no sharks. So, oh, that's weird. The sink is off to the side. Very small, but you get conditioner, shower, and shower gel. I've never done this before. I booked it for the wrong day. I booked it for September, a Saturday in September. A Saturday in September, mind you, that we're camping at Disney World, so obviously I couldn't make that work. And I had a booked day of, now this is Saturday of Labor Day weekend, so the price I paid for this room is much more than what I paid, because I had a family and friends rate when I booked it for September. Yeah, I've never done that before, so strange. But we're here, we're gonna have a great time. Are you ready to have some fun? We're gonna go to the beach? Oh, so good. Let's explore the hotel and the beach. So attached to the hotel is a Starbucks, which is quite lovely, but what's even more lovely is that they have pumpkin spice in season. Oh, so good. So it's a beautiful morning along Clearwater. You got Dunkin' Donuts, Ben and Jerry's is always good. So wonderful. I got a jalapeno chicken pocket. I don't know if it's exactly breakfast, but it looks good. Elena got an egg white thingy. Sophia got some type of pesto. Ah, very nice. All right, let's have breakfast.
Open.
This is the gym. Uh-oh. It's college football Saturday. So, nice gym.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Too much water.
Rower. Lots of water. Yeah, lots of cardio stuff. There's Pier 60 right over there, so you can work out while looking at Pier 60. That's cool. Yeah, there you go. Very nice. I believe the main lobby is right here. They got the ballrooms. Ballroom. There's a spa. I believe there's a gift shop here, which we have a Christmas ornament from. We already have a Christmas ornament from here, remember? Here's the spa. Here's there's the Christmas ornament. We had one from before. There's the restrooms. This is the area where you check in. It's actually on the second floor. If you go down, that's where you can get your valet parking. Here is a wonderful bar. I have a coconut mojito. I'll be trying that. Oh my, football's this weekend. Love it. College football is great. Here's their breakfast tomorrow, mi amor. On you. Gracias. You can check out. Here is the pools. Oh, they have two. I guess one's like a kiddie pool and one's a swimming pool, regular swimming pool. And then, of course, you have the beach. Little tiki bar. It's not open yet. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Love it. Perfect. All right, so we're on the ground floor, and if you go up to the lobby, but we're going over to the pool and the beach. Here they have a little game area. We've partaken in this before. The pool area is right there, but for now, there's restrooms as well. We're going to the beach. So there's towels. Yeah, there is yoga class that you have from 8 to 9. They have some ice cream. Let's go see the chair situation. I do not know if you pay for chairs or what the deal is, so let's go find out. Here's a tiki bar. We'll definitely be, ooh, they have Stella. Definitely gonna be coming back to that. Look, mi amor. Nice. No outside equipment. Hotel guests. Cabana. All right, let's see. Full beach package. Whoa. Beach cabana, beach umbrella, reclining chair. So that is our resort. This is the beach. We rented this cabana and 2 lounge chairs. It was $108, and you give gratuity, so I gave $10. I'm not sure what you tip these people, so I gave him a $10 tip. But it's till 7 p.m. If you're a resort guest, right there in that little orange hut thing, you get, I think from 10 to noon, you get a half-hour free kayak or paddleboard. So we just got done doing that. We're probably gonna do it tomorrow morning as well, so I'll take the GoPro tomorrow. Wasn't sure what we're getting into and how well we would do. It was a double, it's 2 doubles. So you can also rent it if you're not a resort guest, or if you are a resort guest and you wanna do it after noon. They have jet skis and other stuff too, and banana boats. So yeah, so here we are, Clearwater Beach. This is our, the resort has this little bar. I got Elena a Mai Tai, and I got a Blue Moon. The Mai Tai was like 14 bucks, so as far as theme park prices go, not a bad price. Tastes pretty good. Very beachy, the Mai Tai. And a Blue Moon goes good no matter what. This is like 10 something, so all told, not too bad. But yeah, we have till 7 p.m. till chillax in our beautiful little cabana. Down the boardwalk of our hotel is the Salty Crab. We're having a beautiful lunch. Here is some type of, oh, what is this? I don't remember what that is. This is yummy, chicken, and this is grouper. That's a crab roll. That's crab. Yeah, that's a crab. Yeah, okay. And we got a bucket. In the evenings, they have live music. That's really cool. Bars hopping. It's now 5:30 p.m. So as part of your stay, you get to do a little photo shoot. They'll go anywhere on property, and take any photos you want. You get 1 digital and 1 print for free. So here, excuse me, Elena. So you can see we just went on the balcony, and that's about it. We could have went out on the sand. They have pictures of people out in the sand and stuff. But so yeah, we're gonna get one of these, and it's complimentary with your stay. Of course, you got to book it right here where the towels are. You book it during your stay. It's an hour block. You can take as much time as you want, I suppose. So with the complimentary one that you do get, you get a print and the digital that they'll email to you, and you pick up the actual print here in about 15 minutes or so. But you can also purchase more. So they have 1 print and digital for $5, 5 photos, print and digital for $20, and it goes up in different packages. So if you want more packages, you can go right ahead. So that's cool. A nice benefit you get. It's part of the resort fees that you pay. So if you're here staying, make sure to take advantage of it. And if you're wondering where Spider-Man vacations, it's Clearwater Beach. Good soggy morning, everybody. Even in paradise, it tends to rain. Well, it's 8:45 in the morning. It's raining, which is unfortunate. Hopefully it stops, so that way we can enjoy another round of kayaking. I guess technically we could kayak in the rain, but I, for one, don't want to do that. Well, it's still raining. I just want to go over the bicycles. So as a resort guest, you do get to rent for free a bicycle. I'm not 100% sure if it's how many per room you're allowed. We just rented one. Sophia, Elena's daughter, wanted to take it over to Pier 60 last night. So we rented it. They give you a chain to lock it. So if you want to leave it, they give you a helmet, a bicycle helmet. And yeah, she rode it over there. I mean, it's probably the shortest rental ever because she rode it over there and came back. I think it's an hour rental. So if you want to, you know, explore a little bit, by all means, rent a bicycle from here, and you can head on down and check out the beautiful boardwalk, and even stop to get a bite or drink and lock up the bike. So very nice. So here is the breakfast. The buffet is $26.95. We got that before. We're probably gonna do that today again. The ladies are at the gym at the moment, so I'm gonna roam around here and check out some more of the resort. I did not get a chance to go to the bar last night, so that's disappointing. Coconut mojito is their drink of the day. It was yesterday as well. All right, well, here is the pool area right outside where you come down, where the games are. This is the main section where you get all your rentals, your bike, your photo. I'll go back there, get my photo. But let's check out the pool. It's a good time to check it out since it's raining and nobody's at the pool. Got some cover over there, that's nice. So this is a kids pool, I guess. 0 entry. It's just like a little splash area. What's the height? 1 foot. Let's see how high this thing goes. The ocean is right over there, beyond that dune. Let's see. What's the max height of this pool? 3 feet. Okay, so it does go 3 feet. And here's the rest of the, there's a bathroom there. Here's the rest of the pool area. I guess we'll go this way. I assume this is a lunch and a bar area. Of all the times we stayed here, we've never hung out the pool. Why would you? You have the beautiful Gulf Ocean right there. Oh, sandbar it's called. Okay. Ooh, they have a mudslide. Oh, locked and loaded Bloody Mary. Okay, they do have apps and greens and handhelds. Yeah. A bit pricier than I would expect, but all in all, pretty par, I guess, on course with the area. I guess you rent those cabanas. I'm assuming those are not first come, first serve, but I'm not 100% certain on that. And here you go. It's nicely laid out. I mean, I don't know. I guess the sand dune provides privacy to a degree, but I'd sooner be lounging here looking out at the ocean than looking at that big sand dune personally, but yeah. I guess that's just me and my preference. Well, I got the photo. I don't know why I expected it to be a bigger photo, but it fits in this envelope, so it's a small photo. But hey, it was free, so I'm not gonna complain. There it is. How nice. Well, speaking of that photo, let's talk about all the things that you get as part of your resort fees. So the first thing you get is Wi-Fi. Bike rentals, like I said, morning yoga. So the morning yoga is from 8 to 9, I guess. This morning's been canceled because of the weather, of course. It's out on the beach. 1 hour non-motorized water sports from 9 a.m. to noon. Now, we got 2 kayaks yesterday, and they were a half hour. Now, because we got 2, I don't know if they break it, you know, they say an hour, so it's an hour total combined. I'm not sure how that works. 2 bottled waters daily. Those just go to your room. So for us who are staying one night, we're only gonna get the 2 for the day when we checked in. Photo shoot with 1 print, and that's what I showed you. A beautiful photo. Clearwater Beach fitness access. I mean, the gym, yeah, okay. It makes sense if they have a gym that you have access to it. Kids crafts and games, and 10% off the spa merchandise. All right, well, we're at the restaurant. We're having the breakfast. Here's the menu. I mean, honestly, $27 for buffet breakfast is a bit pricey, but for this hotel, Clearwater, not so much, especially if you're gonna pay $20 just for eggs anyway. So pay the extra $7 and get a bunch of other stuff. And we got a beautiful section because the normal section is full. They sat us over here because we wanted a window seat anyway, and I wanted a little privacy. That way I could record without showing a bunch of people eating food. So as you can see, we got this place all to ourselves, and we can look out and see the beautiful rainy beach. All right, so our first round of the buffet, they have an omelet bar. I have all kinds of goodies in this thing. Breakfast potatoes, more bacon. Sophia got omelet with some breakfast potatoes, 2 sausages, French toast. Elena got the egg whites. She looks like she got a quiche thing, a pancake.
Yeah.
French toast, more meat. Yeah, very good. They also have fruit, yogurt, orange juice. Yeah, so when we go up again, I'll get something different, and you can see what else there is. Looks pretty good though. Let's dig in. So round 2, I got French toast. Now these have apple filling. They're pancakes with apple filling in the middle. A muffin, they have assorted pastries, and I got a yogurt. But they do have fresh yogurt. You can see Sophia got her fresh yogurt. How's everything? How was your omelet? Bien? Good? Yeah, mine was very good. Breakfast was very good. Now we're back up in the room. It's around 10:30, a little after 10:30. We're gonna get ready to get out of here. 11 o'clock is checkout time. The rain is not subsiding. It looks pretty bleak over there. But I'd like to thank everyone for joining us for this brief stay in a resort overview. I love this resort. I've been here before. We will be back 100%, and we will 100% go back to the Three Daughters Brewery, which is on the 3rd floor right there. A separate vlog of that will be coming out soon as well. But I think that'll be the end of this vlog, so thanks everyone for joining me. And until the next vlog, podcast, or live stream, keep making memories. Dry, Clearwater Beach memories.
Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.